Today you are with your boy Mr. Hands, and today we're not in the Head Savage garage, we're not in the Head Savage garden, but today we are in the Head Savage kitchen. And what I got for you today, we're going to make some capsaicin. So let's cut all the bull talk out and get to making it. First thing you're going to need, of course, is your favorite pepper, and then well, we'll get into that. I might as well tell you right now, you're gonna need at least some 100 proof vodka. That 80 proof stuff might work. I never tried it. I heard it might work with some people. I heard it did work with some people, but to get your best results, get you some 100 proof alcohol. I chose vodka. You can choose your own liking of alcohol, but alcohol and pepper. All right, first thing you're going to do is get your peppers all dried out. I'm going to close it up a little bit, leave enough for the air to come out, and just crush them up like this. Don't do it too hard because you don't want to tear the sack, but you want to just crush them up. It don't have to be real fine. Just break them all up. And you don't have to break them up at all, but once you break them up, what this does is it gives that alcohol more room to roam around, and it won't take as long when you're extracting your capsaicin from whatever pepper that you're using. So and that's going to be good enough for me, so add that back to my jar here. Alright, now we'll use this just to get it smashed down some. Okay, now all you do is just add your alcohol until it's all covered. You don't have to fill the thing up, but let's make sure they're covered like that, and that's it. Now you're going to let that sit and do its thing. You can shake it up if you want. I usually let mine sit for 2 weeks. You can let it sit for a week, but the longer you let it sit, the better. All right, it is that time you have been waiting for. It's extraction time. As you can see, my peppers have been chilling for about 2 weeks. So let's go in and extract these puppies. You might be wondering why I have this here. This is so I can catch my mess if I spill anything from here, because I want to keep everything. So I'm going to go ahead and sit this right in here. And I'm going to use this strainer right like this. You follow me? Okay. So let's go on and get started right here. I use this as a weight to hold my peppers down up under the alcohol solution while it was doing this thing, taking my capsaicin oil out. But you may want to wear gloves if you're a newbie to this, but let's get started. All right. Simple as this, folks. Much it, folks. And what we're going to do is we're going to sit that out to dry in front of the fan there. And you want to remember how much you got in there. And mine says it is actually at 3/4 cup. So we're going to let that dehydrate evaporate, thinking about the peppers. We're gonna let that evaporate underneath the fan until it's low, like a thick paste almost. All right, folks, I got the fan going. We're evaporating. It's just that simple. Now, you don't need a fan, but a fan makes the process a whole lot faster. We're at the 100 millimeter mark. I think that's good enough. We'll transfer over into our smaller container. Should fit into this container perfectly. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right. Turn the fan back on. Gonna let it finish doing its thing. And we'll be back in another 2 hours. See how low it has dropped. And that's kind of thick. Now what you can do to get those oils off the side is slap the lid on and just kind of shake her up a little bit like this. All right, people, let's get this bottled up. Oh, it's nice and ready. It is nice and ready, I tell ya. All that good oil. Let's see if I can get one more out of here.